Hey everyone, welcome back to the DevOps Hub. In our last video, we learned how to create directories using mkdir command. Today we are going to take it a step further and learn how to navigate through these directories using the cd command. Let's get started. First things first, what does td stands for? It stands for change directory and it's one of the most frequently used command in the command line. The basic syntax is cd. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we are currently in our home directory and we have a directory called documents. To move into documents directory, we simply type cd space documents. And now we are inside the documents directory. You can check your current directory by typing the pwd command, which stands for print working directory, or some called it present working directory. Next, let's say we want to go up one level to the parent directory. We use cd dot dot to achieve this. And we are back to home directory. You can confirm it by typing same pwd again. Now let's look at a couple of more advanced uses. Suppose we want to quickly switch between two directories. We can use cd hyphen to go back to the previous directory we were in. It's a great way to toggle between two locations. Another tip is to use tab completion to save time. Start typing the name of the directory and press the tab key to auto complete it. For example, you type cd doc, that's doc, and press enter. Press tab, sorry. Tab completion can save a lot of time, especially with the long directory names. Now let's talk about some common errors. If you try to change to a directory that doesn't exist, you will get an error message like this. That's a non-existent directory. In this case, double check your spelling and the part to ensure it's correct. And that's it for the cd command. To recap, we learned how to navigate directories, move up and down the directory tree, return to the home directory, switch between directories, and use tab completion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the DevOps Hub for more command line tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.